Camcor Industries was established in 1992, with the piloting principle being the complete satisfaction of our customers. Camcor's exceptional service and quality is made possible through a combination of the craftsmanship and experience of our professionals and our state-of-the-art equipment and processes that enable us to produce precision parts of complex geometries that other manufacturers simply can't provide. With a full-powered CAD/CAM system to support even the most elaborate geometries, Camcor meets and exceeds the challenges of high-volume, modern production. As an ISO 9001-2000 certified manufacturer, Camcor's controlled procedures ensure that we repeatedly and consistently meet the most demanding quality standards. We specialize in 2, 3, 4, and 5-axis CNC milling and turning, including complex 3D surface machining. Very small parts, parts that involve multiple setups or complex operations, difficult to fixture parts, or hard to machine materials are not a problem at Camcor. Here's a demonstration of our 5-axis capabilities. This equipment allows us to approach a part from multiple surfaces per work holding. This means that parts that previously required multiple setups can be machined in a single setup. This increases accuracy by eliminating the potential for positioning errors between interim setups that are no longer necessary. It also reduces cycle time, as well as fixturing and hard tooling costs. Finally, this equipment gives us the ability to machine complex parts from solid stock that would previously have had to be cast. This enables the cost-effective production of prototypes and small volume runs. Even the very best of equipment can only produce the best quality parts if it is operating within its design tolerances. To ensure this, Camcor has invested in an extremely sophisticated calibration device called a ball bar, which allows us to perform preventative and predictive maintenance on facility machinery. To ensure its next run will be as good as the last, Camcor relies on coordinate measurement machines, or CMMs, which can automatically measure complex workpieces in a non-contact fashion to tolerances as tight as 2/10,000ths of an inch. In addition to machining services, we provide a comprehensive array of secondary services which include welding, electron beam welding, assembly, and coordinating outside services such as coating, anodizing, heat treating, plating, sterilizing, annealing, and sheet metal. It would be our pleasure to discuss the manufacturability of your design ideas. We invite you to call us and to start experiencing the benefits of our commitment to our piloting principle of the complete satisfaction of our customers.